In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Zoho Books organization and create a new invoice. These steps will guide you through the process with ease and efficiency. To start, head over to the left sidebar where you'll find a menu. From this menu, choose the Sales option and then click on Invoices. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your invoices. Now, to create a new invoice, look to the top right corner of your screen where you will see a plus New button. Go ahead and click that. This action will bring up a form where you will enter all the relevant details for your new invoice. First, you'll need to specify the customer for whom you're creating the invoice. You'll see a customer name field. Here you can either select an existing customer from a drop-down list or add a new customer if you haven't worked with them before. This simplicity ensures you can handle new clients seamlessly as part of your invoicing process. Next, we have the Invoice Hour field, which is essential for tracking and record keeping. Zoho Books will generate this number automatically, but you also have the flexibility to enter a number manually if your system requires a specific sequence. If you decide to customize the number series, look for a little gear icon next to the field. Click it to access the settings, where you can make necessary adjustments. In the Order Number field, you can input a reference number if applicable. This could be a purchase order or any other reference that helps you and your customer identify the transaction. Don't forget to set the invoice date. This date is significant because it marks the starting point for payment timelines and can impact both your accounting records and your clients. Moving on to the item table, this is where you'll list all the products or services included in the invoice. Begin by selecting each product or service from your inventory list. Once selected, it's time to enter the quantity for each item. Normally, the rate for each product or service will fill in automatically based on your existing setups. But there's always room for adjustment if you need it to reflect current prices or special agreements with customers. Be sure to add any taxes or discounts that apply to your invoice. This step ensures clarity and accuracy in how much your client needs to pay. If you need to include more items, simply use the plus Add New Row option to expand your list. You can also add other charges, like shipping, in this section to fully account for all costs. At the bottom of this document, you have the option to include notes or attach files. These can be any additional details or documentation your client might find useful or necessary. Finally, when the invoice is ready to go, decide whether you'd like to save as draft, save and send immediately, or schedule it to be sent at a later date. Each of these options allows you to manage when and how your client receives their invoice in line with your organizational policies or communication preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully created an invoice in Zoho Books. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.